Welcome back, everyone. It's that time of the year again, Amazon Prime Day. And as the best product marketer, I have an incredible deal to share with you all. But before we dive in, I want to let you know that we have included an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. By using that link, not only do you get access to this amazing deal, but you also support our channel. So make sure to check it out. The season for spring cleaning might be over, but that doesn't mean you can't keep your home sparkling clean all year round. And with iRobot's Roomba i3 Evo, it has never been easier or more affordable. Right now, you can grab this budget-friendly robot vacuum on sale at Amazon for just $250, nearly matching its best price to date. The Roomba i3 Evo is our top pick for those on a tighter budget. While it may not have all the premium bells and whistles of its higher-end counterpart, the iRobot J7, it still delivers exceptional suction power and a range of software features. With its physical spot cleaning button, you can quickly tackle those everyday messes. Plus, its smart mapping capabilities allow you to control which rooms you want it to clean. Although the Roomba i3 Evo may lack the J7's bigger battery and AI obstacle avoidance, it is by no means a deal-breaker, especially considering its current price that is half the cost. And if you can live without the optional auto empty station, you're in for a real treat. The Roomba i3 Evo cleans just as effectively as the J7, ensuring a spotless home. While it may not avoid clutter or offer app-enabled clean zones or keep-out zones, it still gets the job done. And for those who want to take it up a notch, you can pair it with an auto empty station for an additional $200. With its reliable cleaning capabilities and budget-friendly price, the Roomba i3 Evo is the best bang for your buck. It may not have all the frills, but it delivers on what matters most, keeping your home clean and tidy. So, if you're ready to make your cleaning routine a breeze without breaking the bank, don't miss out on this amazing deal during Amazon Prime Day. Click the Amazon affiliate link in the description below to grab your very own Roomba i3 Evo and support our channel at the same time. That wraps up today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. And remember, by using our affiliate link, you not only secure an amazing deal but also contribute to the growth of our channel. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning on Amazon Prime Day!